Welcome to 7109 Lavrock Lane. No, I am not doing an open house because it's actually my own house that we have been working on for the last 6 or 7 months. Notice the nice orange-red door. This is a 1942 colonial that we didn't entirely redo, but we repainted. We're setting up this evening for a housewarming party. Looking forward to seeing some of our colleagues and friends. So I'll give you an idea of what we've done. This is our screened-in porch, which is kind of small, but cute. So this is where the bar is going to be. Only part of the bar is set up. And then we go into the kitchen. I'm having very nice catering done, which has arrived. Lovely Greek food. So the kitchen we totally blew out, completely redone. It was tiny, tiny, tiny before. And this little addition already existed. I love it. It is the best place to sit and have breakfast in the morning. You can watch the birds. We have a neighborhood fox who comes through and deer. Then taking you into our den. Sorry, dining room chair there since we don't have a lot of space. So the den has incredibly nice built-in bookshelves. So awesome. So pleased about that. A little Andy Warhol poster there. Our front entrance, and then quickly upstairs into the bedroom area. Yes, we will ignore my son who's doing something here. Uh-oh, dark. 3 bedrooms. This is my daughter's bedroom. She's not here at the moment, coming home soon for Thanksgiving. And then the master bedroom, missing some lights. Our cat Marley, and Thea has joined him. We had these closets done by Closets by Design. Really nice organization in Arlington. Custom designed, really great. Our master bathroom over here. Kind of small, but it works for us. Clearly somebody has just taken a shower, so anyway. So that gives you an idea. 6 months of work, actually wasn't, probably a month and a half, 2 months, and we're all good.